We got this awesome huge box from who?
Mattel.
Mattel. Yeah, they sent us this box and it says Barbie loves Crayola, huh?
Barbie loves Crayola.
We don't know what's inside of this, so we're gonna open it up and see. Yeah, are you super excited?
Yes.
I can't get the lid off. Use your muscles.
Woo!
There's a lot of hay in here. We could turn this into a hat for you. You look like Rapunzel. I think Mom would have a hard time combing this out.
I know.
It's got this fun little card in the top, and it says that the #1 fashion doll and the #1 producer of arts and crafts products have come together to inspire self-expression and creativity.
For Barbie Crayola.
Barbie Crayola. The first thing that's in here, Hadley, is a Barbie doll, and she's got some clothes that look like a coloring book, and it's got some Crayola markers in there. It says color it, wear it, and then wash and repeat. That sounds like fun. You want to try that out?
Yeah.
Wow, now this next thing that's in here looks crazy. Look at that. It is a huge suitcase, and it looks like it has a lot of crayons in it. All right, now the last thing that's in here looks really crazy. Look at that. It's got another Barbie doll.
Yeah.
And over here it says add washable paint and stencils. Then you spray fashion, and then you wash and repeat. So it looks like a stenciling machine, kind of like a
sprays.
Yeah, it's a lot like how you really make t-shirts. They put a stencil over it and then they put the ink down and it looks like you get to make your own t-shirt.
Yes.
That looks awesome. And it says no mess. We're gonna have to check that out. I'm not sure if it's a no mess
I
situation.
can do it in my room.
Oh, if it's no mess.
Yes.
We'll see if Mom approves on that. All right, Hadley, which one do you want to open first?
This one.
This one? The color and fashions?
Yes.
All right, let's try it.
Okay, we finally got everything off.
Yes, we did. And it looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. Now, we got this little thing. What do you think this is for?
To hold the dress.
Yeah, because I think it would be hard to color on her body.
Yeah, go bumpy.
Yeah, it's really bumpy. So we can slide this in. And which dress do you want to do?
Yeah,
the dress?
let's do this.
You go ahead and slide that on, and we'll get the colors ready. We're going to fast forward this part, but you're going to color the whole thing. Can I help, though?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Hadley, we did it. We finished coloring her dress. You did a great job on coloring all those letters. Now we need to get her dressed, right? We want to try on her new outfit?
Yes.
All right, but we're going to do it magically so we don't show her naked. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We did it. We got her all dressed magically. And she looks awesome with her new outfit. Yeah, do you like it?
Yes.
It was a lot of fun. And you could also give her a little bag there. And she looks perfect. We got a couple more outfits. That'll be fun to color after the video.
Yeah.
But it was a lot easier to color on this little board. And so I wouldn't recommend coloring it on her body. Also, I noticed that the coloring came through onto the board.
Yeah.
So if you colored her dress while it was on her body, she's going to end up having little tattoos all over her. Little Crayola tattoos. Okay, Hadley, should we open up the color magic station?
Yeah, that would be a lot of fun.
Okay, this looks awesome. It's got a lot more parts in here. Look at all these different parts. It's got like paint and more of these like stencil things, and it's also got this little workstation too. Okay, let's get it open.
Okay, we finally got it all unboxed.
Yeah, we did. That's a lot of parts, and we also got the instructions. Now we need to do this setup part first. We're gonna open up this green thing, and then we gotta shake the paint, and then we're gonna fill up these little areas in here with yellow, pink, and blue paint, and then we'll be ready. Then we gotta put the dress in there, but then we'll be ready to start.
Okay.
Now we got the dress on the plate and we slide it in here like that. And then now we can use the templates. Which one do you want to do? Or the stencils? You can use a butterfly. You could put a couple on there if you want. Ah, that's going to look really pretty. You want to do another one?
Yes, the star.
The star. Oh, cute. Let's put a couple. Yeah, there we go. All right, now you click this thing on top. Go ahead, press down until it's clicked. Okay, now Hadley, this hand holds the green thing, and then this one turns.
Okay.
And this is gonna flip the paint, but then you can slide this to where you want to add the paint.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. Let's see how it works. Go ahead.
Is that working?
I don't know. Keep going. Let's see. Oh, it is. It is.
Whoa.
It's working. Oh, that looks so cool. Keep going. Oh, it's gonna be really cool. You know what? Let's move. We can move these out of the way. Then move it up a little higher, so you get the whole dress. This thing is so cool. Yeah, cover it. Cover the whole thing.
Oh.
Go all the way down here. We missed some parts. Wow, look at that. This is so much fun. Cover the whole thing. Wow, look at that, Hadley. Looks like a rainbow. All right, do you think it's done?
Yeah.
You want to do a little more? Do a little more. Now you can use these little tweezers to pick up the stencils. Oh, squeeze it.
Okay.
There you go, and then you can put them right here. Wow, look at that.
Need to lift this.
You want to lift this up? Is there any more paint left in there? It looks
little.
like a little bit, but use most of it.
Whoa.
That looks so cool. Now we can also use this to pull this up. You know what? I bet we need to let this dry a little bit. But look at that. That is so cool. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Now we could do that to this dress, and there's also another dress. You want to do another one?
Yes.
Do you want to use one of those, the full dress stencil?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this one taken apart, and then we'll add a new dress. Which one do you want to do? The blue one?
Yes.
Okay. All right, you ready to do the next one? We
Yes.
also traded for the dress. Look at that. It looks cool on, huh?
Yes.
Now, the other thing I forgot, we could have done the back.
Yeah.
It's white. All right, so click it, and then let's see you do the, which one are you going to add? You're going to put that on there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oh, this one's going to be awesome. I can tell. Now, you want to make sure that this little tab is facing up so you can use the tweezers. Yeah, because it's going to be wet with a lot of paint.
And then you can get it off.
No, it's going to be hard. Okay,
We
click
flipped
it.
that.
Yeah, flip it. Yes, and then you do it. Okay, Hadley, I think you got it all. There's a lot of paint. We may have gone over the black line. But let's lift it up, and then you want to use the tweezers. And I'll get a paper towel so you can put that right here so we don't make a mess. Oh, that looks so cool. Did you have a lot of fun doing this one?
Uh-huh.
I'm going to have to steal it and do it when you're asleep.
No.
You're not going to let me?
I don't think so.
All right, let's clean this up. And we got the one last thing, the suitcase full of art supplies.
Yes.
Now, I'm super excited about this. This is a custom art case. It looks like this really cool suitcase. It's got these latches up here and this cool metal handle. Do you want to unlatch it?
Yes.
I'll get this side. Careful, it flips up. All right, well, let's see what's inside. Whoa. This is a ton of art supplies. Look at that. You got all of these same markers that came with that first Barbie, so you can even have more colors to color her dress.
Oh, yeah.
And it also has, look at all these pipsqueaks, a ton of pipsqueaks. And then look at all these crayons.
What the heck?
This is so cool.
There's so much.
I know, there's so much. And look, these even look like they're the metallic crayons. Yeah, these have glitter in them. That's awesome.
These look like neon crayons.
Yeah, they do. They look like neon crayons. These are the metallic effects crayons. I love using those because they go down really thick. This is so many art supplies here. This would be a lot of fun to use. Except, guess what? We're not going to keep it. We're going to give it away to one of our lucky art friends. What should we have parents do to enter to win this?
Leave a comment.
Yeah, leave a comment below and tell us what your favorite Barbie product, well, maybe what your kid's favorite Barbie product is, what your favorite Barbie doll is, or maybe even tell us what your favorite Crayola product is. And when should we pick the winner?
Friday.
Friday? That sounds like a good plan.
Yes.
We'll announce the winner in the comments below this video this coming Friday. We want to thank Mattel again for sending us these cool toys. Which one was your favorite?
The spray.
The spray one? That was my favorite too. I'm definitely going to keep that one.
No.
We'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.